Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Pinaff 2.0. Okay, so I am in the members area now, as you can see, and once you have purchased the product, you will get this kind of page. Okay, here you have to download your ebook, or you should go through your ebook. Okay, so this tool is about Pinterest marketing. This tool is kind of a video tutorial tool, and this will really guide you goodly guide you about Pinterest marketing, about free ads. Pinterest is all about free ads, and they are well focused and targeted. Okay, so before getting into the review, let me just show you that what kind of bonuses I am giving you, what is one of the most main purpose to making this video. Okay, so as you can see, I am giving you $6,397 custom bonuses, but let me clear you that this is an approximate value. My bonuses is more than this, but I have written here an approximate value because I just think that this is a good value. Okay, so I will show you my bonuses and clarify you that why I am saying that my bonus is more than this. Okay, so this tool is all about Pinterest marketing and Pinterest ad giving, and how you can as this vendor made this proven method, and he also gone through this method, and he was able to make $3,000 per month. Okay, so this is a totally proven method. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So inside this inside the ebook you can get so many stuffs, like there are so many written stuff, and truly speaking, I just don't like so much to read written stuff on ebook. Okay, I like reading book, but I don't like to read on ebook. Okay, so many things are written here, but I have not gone through all of them. I have just looked up the images, and this is really valuable. Okay, so those who want to give their free advertisement, their free traffic, okay, from Pinterest. And I really truly speaking that when I was doing Pinterest, and I was using Pinterest about baby product niche. Okay, so Pinterest is a really I just realized that Pinterest has enormous power and massive power. Okay, massive free traffic you can take on your website, on your page, or on your product. Okay, from Pinterest easily. So that was the overview of this product, and you can easily do anyone who want to run their business, who want to advertise their business, their online stuffs. They are just entering, or maybe entered but not so much successful, but they are successful but want to be more successful. They can easily go through Pinterest, and they can easily afford this kind of tool. And this tool is very much relatable to these days. Okay, so now let me show you what is the product, what are you getting inside, and what are the ratings, what are the upsells, costs, everything. Okay, so this is a meme created by me, and as you can see, Pinterest has 442 million users these days, active monthly users, 442. Okay, so once Pinterest has started, and Pinterest was a standalone website on 2012 to have 10 million users. Okay, and from them they have maintained their growth, and now they have 442 million users, monthly active users. Okay, so this is insane, as you can see, and these are the ratings. I have not gone through the videos, the given videos inside it, but I have gone through the ebook, and also I have gone through the courses. This guy is let me show you the owner. Okay, so this guy is good friend of me, Dowley. Okay, so I have messaged him, and he given the video what we will get inside this. Okay, so by seeing the subject and description, reading the description, I have given this rating. Okay, so I think the price should be less within $13 or $14. Okay, otherwise it is my opinion, but you can see it as your choice, as your perspective. Okay, sorry, my English is poor. Okay, so this is, and they are also giving 30 days 100% money back guarantee. So now let me show you the upsells and the bonuses. Okay, So this is the owner, and I highly recommend any newbie or expert who want to earn online goodly and easily earn. Like nothing to do with Pinterest, so much thing, and you can easily earn passive money. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. As you can see, the sales funnel is very much small, and front end product is Pinaff 2.0 or 2.0, which costs $17.95, and the next one is Pinterest Anatomy Upsell one, which costs $27. Now let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you totally free from my side once you have brought the product. I don't like to tell about all of the bonuses because I have so many bonuses. If I started to tell about the bonuses, and each bonus is like I have mentioned here 50 bonuses, each bonus is if take minimum 1 minute, and then my video will be 50 minutes. Okay, so this is totally ridiculous, and I don't like to say about more each and every bonuses, but I want to give an overview of all of the bonuses. Okay, so I have put here 50 examples of my bonuses, but the surprising thing comes here that I have given 300 plus bonuses within mega bonuses. That means you are getting 300 plus 50, that means 350 plus bonuses within my bonuses, all of my bonuses. Okay, so these bonuses are all stuffed with softwares, PDF plugins and SEO stuffs, and more than case studies, okay, video case studies, and also I have put their images, and this is written recently introduced by me. Images and music was previously there, but images is totally recently introduced by me, and you are getting 10,000 plus more images, okay, for totally free from my side once you have brought the product from my side. So what you have to do is, after purchasing the product, you have to go to your purchase history within your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so once you have gone through purchase history after purchasing the product, you will get this kind of page, and inside that page you will get this kind of button which is named as access affiliate bonus. Okay, once you have go through this button, you will be redirected to my bonuses. Okay, this is very simple and very much clear to you. I think you are pretty much convinced. Okay, so this was the overview of Pinaff 2.0, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.